Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The central bank has commenced a search for a new governor of the Bank of Jamaica. The new governor will succeed Richard Biles, who is set to end his tenure on August 18. Finance Minister Favour Williams said the recruitment process will be guided by principles of transparency and good governance, with a focus on identifying the best candidate to lead the central bank. She noted that the incoming governor will be expected to maintain economic stability, advance the modernization of the financial system, and expand the use of digital payments, particularly among underserved groups. A search committee has been established to assist in the process. It will be chaired by Calvin McDonald, a former senior official at the International Monetary Fund. Other members include Ambassador Catherine Phipps, Professor Delroy Hunter of the University of South Florida, and financial services professional Mina Israel. The committee will identify a short list of candidates from which a recommendation will be submitted to Cabinet and ultimately to the Governor General for appointment in keeping with the Bank of Jamaica Act. Digicel Group has announced that it made a voluntary payment of US $100 million on its existing debt, reflecting improved operating performance and tighter financial management. Group Chief Financial Officer Leopoldo Gutierrez says the development highlights growing confidence among lenders and strengthens the company's financial position. He adds that the improved terms will give Digicel greater flexibility to invest in its network and support long-term growth. According to Digicel, it is also investing in more resilient infrastructure to better withstand climate-related risks and meet the future needs of its customers. For the trading period of April 27, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 8,902,753 units, or 44.10% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,557,504 units, representing 12.67% of market sales activities. For the JMMB Group Limited, 7.35% cumulative redeemable preferred share with 1,017,126 units, representing 5.04% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in finance, transportation, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 27, 2026, foreign exchange traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $155.89 and buying at $157.90. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 75-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.33 and was bought for $114.58. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $8.86 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.99 and was bought for $207.13. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, retirement planning doesn't end at 65 years old, it evolves. From the age of 70 onward, financial decisions become less about growth and more about resilience, flexibility, and protection. Your credit report may no longer be the centerpiece of your financial life, but it remains a supporting structure, quietly influencing your options and security. Instead of ignoring your credit profile, the goal should be to simplify and stabilize it. Maintain 1 to 2 active credit accounts to keep your profile alive. Avoid co-signing loans unless absolutely necessary. Set up alerts or periodic reviews of your credit report and keep utilization low and payments consistent. For our funded and focused feature, for many entrepreneurs, the hesitation around micro markets, stock listings is understandable, but it is often rooted more in perception than reality. Think of it as upgrading your business from informal execution to institutional readiness. The same systems that satisfy regulators also improve financial discipline, strengthen internal controls, and make your business more attractive to larger investors later. Start small. Build a compliance system rather than attempting perfection from day one, so get into the rhythm. Entrepreneurs who move past the fear tend to discover something important. The same structures that feel intimidating at first are the very ones that transform a business into an asset that others are willing to fund. The question is not whether the pathway is risky. Every funding pathway carries risk. The real question is whether you're willing to evolve your business to operate at a level where capital can find you. Because in the end, capital does not chase ideas. It aligns with structure, clarity, and confidence. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.